There's the jackfruit tree, Daddy Robert. This is it. See, it is growing. It is taller than the palm trees around it, or equal so far. Yes, this is the tree. Yeah. This is Dad's house. This is my father. He's building a modern house on the farm. This is a 3-bedroom house with 2 bathrooms. God bless him. This is how we used to live before. You see the Tash house up there. This is how we used to live before. This is how we used to live before. And now my father is doing a modern home. Yeah. With a bathroom and everything. We're using the dirt bricks to dirt. And this used to be dirt to stick. Yes. This is dirt to dirt. The dirt blocks. God bless my father. Finally, we can have a latrine on our farm. Since 1847, there has not been a latrine here. But this home will come with a latrine for the first time. There we go. This is mud-to-mud infinitely. This is 3 bedrooms and a storeroom and a kitchen, Mama Ellen. And this is Mr. Fine, who built this beautiful house, who is in charge of it. Yeah. Nicely built. All the walls are straight. All the walls are straight. You see? Yeah, that's what they say this morning. Now I would delay us a little bit. The old one, I know what about kids they got to talk in their old age. They're not born all the children already, that time they come and talk kids. I've got 1,000 of those and more. But this one, there's something special about her. She refuses to go in the bush. She loves the city. This is a city goat. She just loves being with everyone in the city. This is Flomo Nambala farmhouse. This is mud-to-mud construction. This is the kitchen. There's the sitting area I'm passing through. There's the kitchen. And then the back porch. And then you're out into the farm. That tree is planted by Mr. Robert Atwi from Uganda. And this farm is going approximately 50 acres and more. Let us see the other side of the house. This is the hallway. This is the first bedroom. This is the storeroom. And this is the general bathroom. This is another bedroom. And this is the master bedroom. The bathroom of the master bedroom. This is mud, well built. They are putting a beam with cement. You see it, cement. This is 3-bedroom, and city good. Going around this house, it's well built. Love it. The walls are straight. How do you supply water to this house? That's a very good question. You see the pipes running there. They are bringing water using the EMAS hand pump, which is approximately 500 feet from here. But the EMAS hand pump is able to transport the water manually all the way here. This is the house, round to round. There we go. And this city goat is still having fun with the grass.